Hey you guys, it is Max Imagination here. Today in this video, I'll be showing you how to make a simple and economical foam tablet case. It has two magnets on either side of the flaps that can close really well. And if you want to know how to make it, let's get started. So to make this tablet case, you will need a tablet of your choice. I have an 8-inch Amazon Kindle Fire tablet, 4 sheets of these pieces of giant foam we have here, and we have a smaller piece of foam here that is about 8 centimeters in width, and it's just as long as our tablet basically. And we're also going to need a coin, a pencil, 4 really small tiny fridge magnets, a razor blade knife sort of thing, a glue gun, and a ruler. So let's get started.
So now we're going to draw a line straight around our tablet and make sure there's 1 inch of foam going all the way around our tablet. And we're making one of the middle parts. And then you're going to use your sharp knife and you're going to cut straight on the line. And once that's cut, you're going to pull off that excess foam. And then you're going to use that excess piece of foam and trace a line on a new piece of foam right on the inside of that excess piece of foam. So now you're going to have the same exact thing as what we just cut out before. Then you're going to use a razor sharp knife, and as usual, you're going to cut along those lines. And using one of those rectangular pieces of foam, you're going to place your tablet directly in the center, and you're going to draw a line using your pencil straight around the tablet. And now you're going to use your razor sharp knife, and you're going to cut along those lines. And now you're going to push off your small rectangle that you just cut out. And just for a quick check, we'll put our tablet inside one of these layers that we'll be using for our tablet case. And now you're going to do the exact same thing to this other rectangle that doesn't have the cutout yet. So now you're going to need your penny or some sort of coin that you have, and you're going to draw around half of the coin for the first button, and for the second button you're going to basically like duplicate it, and you're going to draw around that, creating a bigger space for the volume buttons. And then you're going to do the same exact thing to your second foam frame, and then cut those small pieces out. Just for a quick check, we're going to put the foam frames right on top of each other and put our tablet inside them to see that it fits. And then you're going to hot glue the frames together. And then we cut out another one of those rectangles just without the rectangular hole inside of it, and that's going to be our bottom. You're going to hot glue it to those 2 frames that we glued together. And once that's done, you're going to put your tablet inside the case to see if it fits really well. And then you're going to make 2 holes, which magnets are going to go inside our case. It's going to be for our stand or rectangular flap that goes straight above our screen. And then you're going to hot glue a magnet each into one of the holes. And then you're going to take another rectangular piece of foam, which will be our flap for the top of our tablet case. And you're going to make 2 holes that will correspond to the tablet's holes. And you're, of course, going to put some hot glue in there and put your magnets inside. And then we have this piece of foam, which is just as long as the length of our tablet. And you're going to put some hot glue on the edge of it, the upper edge. And you're going to stick that to the top of your tablet, and then you're going to hot glue the bottom edge, and you're going to hot glue that to the other side of your tablet. So you're going to create like a flap. And now we have our foam tablet case, fully functioning and working. We can put a tablet inside it and see if it fits. Fits nicely. We'll close the flap, and voila! Here you can see you can also use the flap as a stand, like I was saying, somewhere in the middle of the video. It works nicely.
That's it for today, guys. And if you enjoyed watching this video, be sure to leave your comment down below, like, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next week. Peace.